Alright, let me show you how this works. We start by dropping a blog URL into the sheet. Just one line, that's all it takes. Behind the scenes, make.com kicks in, reads the page, uses AI to write a social post, creates an image, and publishes it straight to Facebook. Here's the blog post we're using as the source. This post is all about AI-powered data entry and how it can save time. And when we then look at the final result, we can see the post live on Facebook. It's pulled out the key message from the blog, written a clean post, and even generated this related image, all with AI. Start to finish, just one URL dropped into a sheet, and it goes from blog post to a live social post. So why bother setting something like this up? First off, it gives hands-free sharing. You write the blog once, and it automatically becomes a Facebook post. No manual copying, no extra steps. Secondly, it gives a consistent visibility boost. Instead of blog content sitting idle on your site, this keeps it alive and working for you. Third, there are zero copy and paste errors. The system handles formatting, links, and structure automatically. Clean every time. And finally, it works in the background. Once set up, it just runs. You focus on strategy, it handles the social content. It's simple, reliable, and one less thing on your to-do list. Let me break down how the system actually works, step by step. It all starts when a user enters a blog URL into the Google Sheet. That kicks off a scenario in make.com, which handles the automation behind the scenes. First, it sends the URL to Dumpling AI, which extracts the full content from the page. Then we run a series of steps using OpenAI. It generates a summary, pulls out the key message, suggests relevant hashtags, and writes a call to action. Once that's done, it drafts the final social post. From there, OpenAI also creates a prompt for an image based on the blog content. That prompt is sent to Dumpling AI, this time using the image generation model to create a clean, branded image. Then everything is packaged together and posted directly to the company's Facebook page. Finally, the Google Sheet is updated with a posted status and timestamp, so you know it's done. Start to finish, it's smooth, automated, and repeatable. Let's go through the tools that power this system. First, Google Sheets. It's basically Excel, but in the cloud. In this setup, it's where we drop the blog URL to trigger everything. Next is Dumpling AI. It's built for smart web usage via an API. We use it at the start to extract the content from the blog page, and again at the end to create a related image. Then there's make.com. It's an automation platform that connects different apps without code. It's the glue that holds everything together. Next is OpenAI. This is the same technology behind ChatGPT. Here, it's going to do all the heavy lifting content creation. And finally, Facebook. Once everything's ready, the system automatically publishes the post to your company page. Each tool does a small job, but together they create a seamless, hands-off content flow. Alright, let's go through how to actually set this system up. We start with the Google Sheet. This is where you'll paste your blog URLs. You'll also want a couple of extra columns, one for the post status and one for the date it was published. This sheet acts as both the trigger for your automation and your log to see what's been processed. Next, over in make.com, you'll create a new scenario. The trigger is set to watch that Google Sheet. So every time a new URL is added, the scenario fires. The first thing we do is send that URL to Dumpling AI, which scrapes the full content of the page. It gives us back the raw article text, all the content we need to work with. Then we move into the OpenAI modules, where we break down the content creation into separate steps. Let me show you those. We start with a module to generate a summary. Within here we have this system prompt. You are a summarization assistant. Your goal is to provide a concise and clear summary of a blog article. The summary should be 2-3 sentences long and focus on the key message or insight the article provides. Along with this, we provide the content extracted from Dumpling AI in the user prompt, which we'll do for all these content analysis steps. Next, we extract the key message using this system prompt. You are a content analyst. From the article content provided, extract 1-2 key insights or messages that the article communicates. These should be the most important ideas the audience should take away. Then we move to hashtag suggestions. Here the system prompt is, You are a social media assistant. Based on the article content, generate 3 to 5 relevant hashtags that would help this post reach a wider audience on Facebook. After that, we generate a call to action. Here's the prompt. You are a marketing assistant. Based on the article topic and summary, suggest a short and engaging call to action that encourages users to click through or engage with the post. Now, with all those pieces in place, we then use an OpenAI module to draft the full social post. That one uses this prompt. You are a social media copywriter. Using the summary, key message, hashtags, and CTA, write a short, engaging social post for Facebook. Keep it to 2-4 sentences. It should be clear, scroll-stopping, and relevant to the topic. In this case, we send all the information we've gathered from the previous OpenAI calls. Now, with the social post created, we run one more OpenAI module to create an image prompt. The prompt is, you are a visual concept assistant. Based on the blog content, generate a short prompt that describes a compelling image to accompany a social media post. Avoid text. Keep it visually descriptive and relevant to the article. We then send that prompt to Dumpling AI, this time using the Flux1Schnell model to generate a clean image that fits the topic of the blog. Now that we've got both the image and the post, we send it to Facebook using make.com's Facebook Pages module. Included inside the message field is both the social post content generated alongside the original URL from the sheet. That then publishes straight to your brand's page, no manual steps needed. Finally, we go back and update the Google Sheet. We set the status to posted and record the date and time to now. And that's it. Once it's all set up, you just paste in a blog URL and the whole process runs automatically in the background. And that's the full system. One blog URL dropped into a sheet and it's automatically turned into a Facebook post with custom written content and a related image. If you're producing regular content but don't have the time to constantly repurpose and promote it, systems like this can make a huge difference. It's simple, repeatable, and saves hours every week. At AIWise, this is the kind of work we do every day, helping businesses automate smartly using tools that are already at their fingertips. If you ever want to explore how automation like this could work in your business, feel free to reach out.